Alright, business technology students, I promised you yesterday an updated version of the Simpson letter tutorial, and I am here to deliver. So, the instructions yesterday were this. I gave you this cool piece of paper that you were supposed to type with your mad typing skills that we learned in the first semester. And after you've typed all of that out, you were to make changes based on the instructions on the back of the instructions. Some of the changes were margins and italicized and bold and underlining things, and one of the harder ones was to change a word using the thesaurus. So just to give you an idea of how to finish this assignment, I will do that now. Basically, I've started the assignment here, and basically you just want to continue typing here so that you have the entire letter. And in the interest of time and video magic, I'm not going to type the whole thing because that'd be a really boring video. So I have it ready to go right here. So once you have typed the entire thing out with no changes, it would look something like this. And if it goes on to 2 pages, that's okay because there's a fix for that. So as I scroll through, you can see I've typed everything out, but I've made no changes with bold or anything like that. So the changes that we need to make on the letter are the following. The header right here is supposed to be italicized, and you'll have a menu that comes right up like that, so you can italicize it. The do not in the first paragraph right here is supposed to be bolded, so again we can do that. These 5 items right here need to be in a bulleted list, and again there's a sub menu that shows up so that you can do it right there. Mr. John Cheatham should be bolded. Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe should be bolded. The word inconvenience should be underlined. And we need to find a synonym for inconvenience, which we can right click, and here's a synonym, and we can pick one of these. So I'll pick embarrassment. And it's still underlined. We need that underlined. Let's see. You're supposed to put your name instead of typing the actual words your name. Hopefully you figured that out. Springfield Nuclear Power Plant is supposed to be bolded, so we'll do that. The PS before the statement, we aren't a fan of your son Bart either, should be bolded like that. And that's pretty much all the changes. So now we've got a letter that looks exactly the way it's supposed to, as far as formatting goes, like this. So we've made all the changes, and then you'll save that. Now, going back to the second example here, we kind of spilled into 2 pages. How can we fix that? Well, we're going to do something with the margins. So instead of going 1 inch all around like the instructions say, what we can do to fix that to make it work is go 1/2 inch all the way around. And what that's going to do is make it fit on the page. Now, in case anyone didn't know what a margin was, the margin is the white space that is around the edge of the page. So when it says it's 1 inch, it's 1 inch from each edge. So now it's 1/2 inch from each edge, and you have a full Simpson letter that works for our assignment. Once you're finished with the final letter, File, Save As, you're going to save it to your computer, your desktop. We're going to call it Simpson letter so that we know exactly what it is. And after it's saved to your desktop, you can save it to one of 3 places: your Edmodo backpack, your Google Drive, or your OneDrive for Microsoft Office 365, and attach it to the Edmodo assignment that's already there. That's it. Hope that helps. See you later.